In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated invoice reminders in Xero. If you're looking to speed up collections and reduce time spent chasing payments, this quick setup will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Xero with access to your sales and invoice settings. Start from your Xero dashboard. First, open the sales area. This is where Xero keeps everything related to what you bill your customers. Inside sales, go to invoices. That takes you to your invoice list, and it's the best place to manage anything that affects how and when customers get notified. At the top of the invoices page, look for the invoice reminders control. If you see it marked as off, click it. This opens the reminder settings. Think of this as the central hub where you decide whether Xero should automatically email customers when their invoices are overdue. On the reminders page, turn on the master switch by selecting email customers when an invoice is. This is the global toggle that activates automated reminders across your organization. You can switch it off again anytime if you need to pause reminders temporarily. Next, create your first reminder by selecting the plus add reminder option. This adds a new reminder rule to your schedule. In the field that appears, enter the overdue by date. This is the number of days after an invoice's due date when Xero should send the reminder. For example, if you set it to 7, customers with invoices that are 7 days past due will automatically receive a follow-up email. Choose a time frame that fits your tone and your industry, something prompt enough to keep cash flowing, but reasonable for your customers. If you ever need more than one reminder, you can return here and add additional rules using the same button. When you're happy with the timing, click Save. This locks in your settings and turns the rule into an active automation. From now on, Xero will watch for invoices that match your criteria and send reminders without you lifting a finger. A couple of quick tips to make this work smoothly. Confirm that your customer contacts have valid email addresses and ensure your invoices are approved rather than in draft. It's also a good idea to keep your invoice due dates accurate, since reminders use those dates as their trigger. If your business tone is formal or friendly, reflect that in your broader email settings so your reminders feel consistent. And that's it. You've enabled invoice reminders, added your first schedule, and saved your settings, so your follow-ups can run automatically in the background.